Guys, we have a hack for you guys. And guys, you know these stubborn spring that you put in your bricks and it's very hard to get them and you don't have a special tool to pry them back? I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. I never see that, so hope this is the first one and I could get some subscriber, some likes. So first guys, thank you guys all who subscribe. And all you just need is some wire wheel. I'm going to show you why you need that in a minute. Okay, so we're going to get some wire wheel out. Like some wires. And guys, you could probably catch where I'm coming from. We're going to clamp the spring. Just like that. And put the wire through here. And use the next pliers, guys. And tighten the clamps. One. Then you cut it. Then you loose, barely loose, turn it to the side. And you clamp it again. And then you twist it. Make sure you get it nicely. Okay, you twist it. And then you cut it again. Then you turn it the last one. And then you turn it. I'm just giving it fast, guys, before my phone storage is full. So then you turn it again. And then that's it. The spring that you had to depress, guys, look at it. It's depressed enough, so you put your piece on here and you put your plunger in. And when your plunger reaches in and you lock it from this side, you just let go these with the pliers and you get your thing right back in nicely. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I will show you what I'm talking about right now before my phone's full. So trying to make this video work, guys. Bear with me. So yeah, okay. So there we go, guys. So this is what I'm talking about. So the piece that goes in from the back here goes right through nicely from there, and then leave the space. You put your head on and then you lock your head. And then when after your head's locked, make sure you cut these off and your spring just come right out. How's that sound, guys? That's just all you had to go on spring in tight spot and you don't have a tool. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright guys, so you put this, when you putting it back in, jeez, the video is so hard to make now these days. Okay, so this coming from the back like this, and it's going through this one like this, and then you make sure it's locked from here, and then you cut your wire off and the spring expand, and then you get your brakes in nicely. So guys, if this helped you along the way, along some journey, or could help a friend, this is one if you're doing the brake shoe, any car, and you don't have the tool to put on the spring, you can use the wires, tie them like this, and just put it on and then cut the wire. Game over. Thank you for watching. I hope to catch you on the next one. Don't forget to check out my other videos.